In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change who can access your files and folders in Dropbox. We'll walk through a simple set of steps so you can decide whether anyone with a shared link can open your content or only specific people you invite. This is really important if you're working with sensitive documents or if you just want a bit more control over what you share. First, open your web browser and go to your Dropbox home dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of files and folders along with the main navigation on the left-hand side. This is the standard Dropbox home view where you usually start. Next, look to the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon or your initials in a small circle. Click on that profile area. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From that drop-down, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage things like your profile, security, and sharing preferences. Give the page a moment to load if your connection is a bit slow. Once you're in the settings area, look for the tab or section called Sharing along the top or on the side, depending on your layout. Click on Sharing. This section controls how links and shared content behave across your account, so it's the place where you adjust who can access files and folders when you share them. On the Sharing page, find the setting related to who has access. There will be a drop-down menu next to this option. Click on that drop-down and you'll see at least two main choices: anyone with the link and only invited people. If you choose anyone with the link, that means anyone who gets that link, whether you sent it to them directly or it was forwarded by someone else, will be able to open the shared content. This is convenient for quick sharing, but be cautious with confidential information. If you choose only invited people, access is restricted to the specific email addresses you add. This is the safer option when you're dealing with private or sensitive files, because even if the link is shared further, only the people you've invited can open it. Once you've made your choice, your new sharing preference is applied. You can always come back to the sharing settings page to adjust who can access your content as your needs change.